Hey there, content creators and marketing mavens. Welcome back to Ideaplex. How many times have you found yourself drowning in a sea of tasks? Social media posts to create, email campaigns to draft, presentations to design. It never ends, right? Stick around as we put this all in one marketing platform through its paces. Well, today I'm diving into a tool that promises to simplify your marketing life, simplified.com. Have you heard of it? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Simplified pitches itself as an all-in-one marketing platform. It boasts features like AI-powered content creation, writes social media captions, blog posts, email copy, even scripts, all with a little nudge from their AI wizard. Design tools say goodbye to graphic design headaches. Simplified offers pre-made templates for everything from social media graphics to presentations. Social media management, schedule posts across all your platforms, track analytics, and even respond to comments all in one place. Content calendar, organize your marketing efforts with a customizable calendar that helps you plan out your content strategy. Sounds pretty impressive, right? Next up, let's talk design. As someone who spent way too much time struggling with complex design software, I was curious to see how Simplified's design tools stacked up. I'm impressed. Here's why: the template library is extensive. Whether you're creating Instagram stories, Facebook posts, or even presentations, there's a template for that. Customization is straightforward. You can easily change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to create professional looking designs, even if you're not a graphic design pro. But it's not all roses. Advanced users might find the customization options a bit limited compared to dedicated design software. However, for most marketing needs, it's more than sufficient. In today's digital age, social media management is crucial. So how does Simplified fare in this department? Let's break it down. The scheduling tool is robust. You can plan and schedule posts across multiple platforms from one dashboard. The content calendar gives you a bird's eye view of your social media strategy. It's great for ensuring consistent posting and planning content themes. Analytics tools help you track your performance across platforms. It's not as in-depth as some dedicated social media tools, but it provides a good overview. One feature I particularly liked was the ability to respond to comments and messages directly from the platform. It's a real-time saver when you're managing multiple accounts. Now, let's talk about the feature that's got everyone buzzing: the AI writing assistant. Simplified claims it can help you create everything from snappy social media captions to full-blown blog posts. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's what I found for quick tasks like social media captions or email subject lines. It's pretty impressive. It saved me a ton of time brainstorming. When it comes to longer form content like blog posts, it's more of a mixed bag. The AI can give you a solid outline and some good ideas, but don't expect it to write your magnum opus. The key is to think of it as a collaborative tool, not a replacement for human creativity. It's great for overcoming writer's block or generating ideas, but you still need to add your personal touch. Enter the age of AI-powered background removal tools. These handy platforms take the grunt work out of photo editing, allowing you to isolate your subject with just a few clicks. The world of AI is no longer confined to science fiction. These days, artificial intelligence can generate captivating video clips based on your text prompts. So are you ready to banish boring backgrounds and create captivating AI clips? Give these tools a try and watch your visual content soar. Remember, the future of storytelling is here, and it's both powerful and accessible. If you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or someone just starting out with content marketing, then Simplified could be a great option for you. It's perfect for streamlining your workflow and creating high quality content without needing a whole marketing team. Simplified's AI goes beyond just tracking basic metrics. It analyzes data to provide valuable insights that can help you optimize your social media strategy. Simplified doesn't just tell you how you're doing, it shows you. With easy to understand charts and graphs, you can visualize your social media growth over time. See trends emerge and identify areas for improvement at a glance. Simplified isn't just a data repository. Its AI insights help you take action. With data-driven recommendations, you can refine your content strategy, optimize posting times, and target the right audience. Simplified's AI chatbot capabilities can be customized to create a truly unique experience for your users. Train the bot to use your brand voice and incorporate relevant keywords. Integrate a translation API to provide seamless language switching. A/B testing different conversation flows and responses to see what works best. With Simplified's capabilities, the possibilities for creating a unique and engaging AI chatbot experience are endless. Simplified offers a tiered pricing structure to cater to different needs. Free plan ideal for individual creators or those just starting out. Limited features including 2000 words per month with the AI writing assistant. 60 AI design templates. Pro plan $9 month, great for solopreneurs and small teams. Includes everything in the free plan. 100 AI design generations per month. Business plan $18 month, perfect for growing teams and agencies. 250 AI design generations per month. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ideaplex and let me know in the comments below what marketing tools you swear by. Until next time, keep creating and simplifying.